Are you in a situation where you met someone you deeply loved? You thought he was your soulmate, the love of your life? Your connection was so amazing, something you never experienced before? You believed you'd never have such a connection with anyone else. But then he left you and moved on, while you're stuck checking his photos with someone new, feeling jealous and bitter inside. You think your love was so real that he'll come back someday? Maybe it's been a fresh breakup just a month ago, so you're still hopeful. But what if it's been 1 or 2 years and you're still hoping he'll return? This video will show you exactly how to make him regret losing you and want you back. First, a disclaimer. There's a very low chance of getting your ex back. I'm not saying it never happens, but you're in a much better position if you just move on, meet new people, and work on yourself. That's better than being obsessed with your ex. Why did you break up? Usually breakups happen because the connection changed. The person you became wasn't attractive to him anymore. Maybe you completely changed yourself for him. You stopped meeting your friends, stopped doing things you loved, didn't have your own life anymore. You were trying to be a part of his life completely, and attraction died. Having your own ambition and independence is very attractive. When you lose that for a guy, he loses respect for you, and attraction dies. That leads to a breakup. Now, to get him back, it won't happen by using some trick. A much easier way is to forget him and meet someone new. But here's the only way that works. Number 1. Remove yourself from his life. Make yourself scarce. Stop calling. Stop texting. Stop looking at his photos on social media. Step 2. Start working on yourself. Bring back your passions. Work on your health and fitness. Start learning new things. Pursue your interests. Connect with people. Call your friends. Meet new people. Go out and meet new men. Build your social life. You'll start going on dates. Once you start posting those pictures, people will talk about you. When friends meet you, they'll say how much you've changed. You look amazing. You're more confident. You're changing your style, improving your confidence. You're spending time on your own purpose, your own passions, not running after this one guy. Work on different areas of your life: fitness and health, mental and emotional wellness, your passion and hobbies, your finances and career, your appearance, and finally, your social and dating life. You're meeting new people, expanding your social circle, meeting new men. Eventually, you'll meet someone who values you. Now you'll be so confident and attractive, you'll understand how relationships work, how to build attraction, how to communicate. You'll start having options. You'll hit that state of abundance. Now the tables are flipped. Earlier you thought, if this guy leaves me, what will happen? But now you've worked on yourself, and you're in demand. You can choose who you want to be with. It's not a scarcity mindset anymore. That confidence just shines through. When you reach this position, you're going on dates. Maybe you're in a relationship with someone. Word starts to spread, and those things will reach your ex too. Maybe 6 months later, he'll see your story, and a text will come from him. When does this happen? When you've properly moved on. Many people work on themselves, but keep thinking, I wish this guy would come back. I wish he would text. They're doing everything to show their ex. But here's the truth. Your ex will text you back when truly you can't fake this anymore. First, there's that phase where you're thinking, I wish he could see how much I've improved. There will be moments where you want to text him, beg him to take you back. Don't give in. You don't need to text him or beg. His message comes when you enter an acceptance phase. This is part of the 5 stages of grief: denial, anger, bargaining, depression, and acceptance. Denial happened at the breakup. Then anger, where you feel resentful, and comes acceptance. You've truly accepted that he's not coming back. It's time to move on. When you've reached complete acceptance, and you're with someone else or dating someone new, and you're content in your life, truly moved on because you like someone else at that moment, his text will come. And the beauty. You don't want him anymore. You have an amazing life and someone who might be even better than him. You will find someone better. Even though right now you feel like you won't find someone like him, you will find someone as good, maybe even better. This has happened so many times. When his text comes, you're already with someone else. When you look back at this breakup, you won't think how terrible it was. You'll be at a stage of thanking him. Why? Because the transformed self you've become, the amazing life you're living it because of him.
Oh.
He broke up with you, so you realized what you needed to work on.
Ow.
You were taking things for granted. Now you've started improving yourself, This was the wake-up call you needed. This breakup was the lesson you needed to learn. You've developed qualities that will stay with you. You're more confident, more independent. You've channeled your energy into positive things. That catalyst was the breakup. And now you have someone you value more than this guy. You truly don't want to go back to him. If you're going through a breakup, know that this is difficult, but you will get through it. This time will pass. Work on yourself. You will get over your ex and move on. Maybe he'll try to get you back. But by then, you won't need him anymore. The life you'll have is going to be amazing.